Hello students, I am Manish Singh and once again welcome all of you in my maths online class. Students, this is our fifth online class of the chapter 2, that is the exponent. In my previous video I have explained you laws of exponent, not whole but some laws of exponent, and that was first 0 means if any non-zero number raised to the power 0, then minus negative, then multiplying power with the same base, and then power of power. So now in today's video we solve some questions on the basis of the explained laws of exponent. So let's start now students. This is the first law, a raised to the power 0. Then keep in mind, this is very important. This is very important. If you found anywhere any non-zero number raised to the power 0, so you can write directly answer is a 1 because value will be 1. किसी भी number का power 0 होगा तो उसकी value 1 होगी. So 8 raised to the power 0 means value will be 1. 9 power 0 means value will be 1. So 7 upon 8 in the rational number form, power 0, then value will be 1. In the question in this form, so how we can solve? Look here, 7 raised to the power 0 plus 8 raised to the power 0 plus 9 raised to the power 0, and question is saying solve or find the value. So how we can find? If you know what is the value of any non-zero number raised to the power 0, then you can solve the easily. So first is a 7 raised to the power 0 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then answer will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Then look here, 1 upon 3 raised to the power 0 plus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 0. Then means what is the value? 1 plus 1, then answer will be 2. So keep in mind, if any non-zero numbers raised to power 0, then value will be of the given number 1. Now second, when the non-zero number raised to the power negative means a power minus n. So we can write in this form, a upon a power n. Example, suppose here is 9 power minus 1. So how we can write the a upon 9, because 9 power 1 value will be 9. So look here, 2 minus power 1 is also we can write the 1 upon 2, because minus 2 power 1 value will be 2. Then look here, third example, minus 3 raised to the power 2. So how we can write the 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2, and then 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9 how? Because 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Now another examples, if the number is given in a rational number form and raised to the power negative, so how we can solve? We can like in this form, 1 upon a power b, 1 upon a upon b power n, or b upon a power n. You can write in this 2 form. So 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 1. So we can write the 1 upon 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1, or 2 upon 1 raised to the power 1. Another example, 3 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3. So how we can write? We can write in two manner. 1 upon 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3, or 5 upon 3 raised to the power 3. 5 upon 3 how? How we can write in this form? Because listen carefully, we know that fraction means division, and 1 upon 3 raised to the power 5 we can solve like as a complex fraction. When we solve the like as a complex fraction, then we get 5 upon 3 raised to the power 3. So another law of exponent, that is when the multiplying power with the same base, then power will be added. A power m multiplied by a power n means then a power m plus n. Example, 3 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 4. In this type questions, first we match the power. Students, we can also solve the exponential form or exponent questions without laws of exponent. But this is very difficult for you when the power are given in a 2 or 3 digit. So for this type question, we need the laws of exponent. So but here is simple examples, 3 power 3 and multiply by 3 power 4. So we can solve by this law of exponent. Which law? When multiplying power with the same base. So look here, what is the base? Base is a 3. Both are in base are 3. Means base are the same. So power will be added. 3 plus 4. So 3 raised to the power 7. Then answer will be 3 raised to the power 7. And you write always in the exponential form. How we can write the 3 raised to the power 7? This is not like this. No? This is the wrong way. This is 37. This is 3 raised to the power 7. Then second is a 2 raised to the power minus 2. Multiply by 2 raised to the power 3. So look here. Base are both same. So we can write the 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3 plus minus. Then answer will be 2 raised to the power 1, or you can also write the value 2, only 2, because 2 raised to the power 1 means 2 multiplied by 1 times. And next is a 9 raised to the power minus 7 and then multiply by 9 raised to the power minus 6. So how we can find the answer? We can find the answer by this rule, this law of exponent, because his power base are same. When the base are same, then power will be added. The 9 minus 7 plus minus 6 right in bracket, because we cannot write the two sign together. Then 9 plus minus, so minus 7 minus 6. Look here, 9, both sign are same here. Same sign means add the numbers 7, 6, 13 and write the same sign. So minus 13, the answer will be 9 raised to the power minus 13. Now next, if the numbers given in a rational number form. So how we can like this example, a upon b power m, a upon b power n. Look here, both base are same here. Same base, same rule. Means power will be added. M plus n. Then minus 3 upon 7 power 2 minus 3 upon 7 power 7. So it's very easy. Just we can add the power. So minus 3 upon 7 raised to the power 2 plus 7. Then minus 3 upon 7 raised to the power 9. This is the answer. Now here is a minus 5 upon 4 minus 2, 5 upon 4 minus 3. Then 5 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2 plus minus 3. Same, plus minus minus. Then 5 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2 minus 3. Then 5 upon 4 raised to the power minus 5. Minus 5. You can also use a one law. Which one? Good. Negative. Negative exponent law. And what is that? So we can write like as a 1 upon 5 upon 4 power 5 or 4 upon 5 power 5. Understood? So now next law is a next and today's last topic, power of power. When the non-zero number power is raised to the power, so how we can solve this type questions? Just we multiply the power and you can find your answer. So look at some examples are here. First is a 7 raised to the power 3 power 2. We can solve by the two method. Look here, in the exponential form there are the two part, base and power. Base and power. This is the base and this is the power when the numbers called the exponential form. So look here, which one is the base? Base is a 7 raised to the power 3 is a base and 2 is a power. In this number, this 7 is a base and 3 is a power. So we can solve by the expanded form according to the power. But that is a very long process. And that is also time taken process. But we can solve easily by this law. Which law? Power of power. In this law, if any non-zero number raised to the power and whole power, then we can multiply the power and power. So firstly solve 7 and what is the power? 3 and then 2. By this rule, the 7 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2, that is the 7 raised to the power 6. This is the answer. Another example, 8 raised to the power 2 power minus 3. 8 raised to the power minus 2 whole power minus 3. Same as by the multiplication, power of means, and what is it? This law, power of power means power multiplied by power, of means multiplication, so power multiplied by power. 8 minus 2 raised to the power minus 3 means 8 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by raised to the power minus 3. So minus minus plus, we can write like as a plus 3 to the 6, 8 raised to the power plus 6, or you can also write the 8 raised to the power 6. Another example, 3 minus raised to the power 3 power 5. So look here, 3 raised to the power 3 power 5. Simply we can raise 3 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 5, that is a 3 raised to the power minus 15, plus minus 5 is a 15. Another example we take the, now 2 raised to the power 0 raised to the power 3. So what is the value of this number? Power of power, power multiplied by power. So 2 raised to the power 0 multiplied by 3. So 3 zeros are 0, 2 raised to the power 0, and then value will be what? 2, 1, no, 1. Answer will be 1, because we know that if any non-zero raised to the power 0, then value will be 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 means 1. Now other example in the form of rational number, minus 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 5. Same as, look here, minus 1 upon raised to the power 3, and power 3 means you can use here power of power rule, power of power law, exponent. So minus 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5. In this type questions we use the which law? Power of power means power multiplied by power, then 5 3 is 15, then 1 upon 5 raised to the power 15, then answer will be 1 upon 5 raised to the power 15. Another example, minus 3 upon 5 raised to the power minus 2 raised to the power minus 5. So look here, minus 3 upon 5 raised to the power minus 2 and minus 5. Power of power. In this question given this which form? Power of power form. So power of power, up means multiplication simply. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 5, then minus 3 upon 5 raised to the power minus plus 5 to the 10. You can use the plus 10, or you can also write the without plus, minus 3 upon raised to the power 10. So okay students, this was all about for the today, and today's homework, I have some questions for you, and questions are attached in PDF form in the description box. Thank you and take care.